What's up, everybody? It's Braxton. I got a quick lathe tip for you. If you're going to be mounting blanks on a screw chuck like this, it's always a good idea to put some wax on it. This is just beeswax and mineral oil right here. I mix it up 50-50. Put a little bit of that on there, especially if the blank is green. This is a nice green mesquite blank that I've got here. So sometimes the wood will swell or move around and make it super difficult to get off the screw. So this is just a easy way to make sure you're not going to get your blank stuck on there and end up unscrewing the chuck or whatever else trying to get it off. Well, thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully this quick lathe tip helped you avoid some headache in the future. If you like it, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe wherever down below for more videos maybe. I don't know. I'll probably have more. Also, I've got a bunch of links to my other quick lathe tip videos in the description, so be sure to check those out. Until next time, we'll see ya.